Okay, so we're going to be working with skills 9. We're going to be working with trailing zeros. So the first thing we're going to do is we are working with multiplication. We're going to multiply 6 times 2, and we're going to circle our trailing zeros. So my trailing zeros are these right there. So first I'm going to work my fact, which is 6 times 2. And we know that 6 times 2 is 612. Then I attach my trailing zeros, which were 2. I'm going to attach 2 zeros. So my answer is 1,200. Again, letter B, circle your trailing zeros. Multiply 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36. And then attach your trailing zeros, which are 2 zeros. 3,600. Circle your trailing zeros. Multiply 5 times 3. 5, 10, 15. Attach your trailing zeros. 1,500. Letter D, circle your trailing zeros. Multiply your two factors. 2 times 2 is 4. Attach your trailing zeros. 400. Letter E, circle your trailing zeros. Multiply 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Attach your trailing zeros. 4,200. Letter F, circle your trailing zeros. Multiply your facts. 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. Attach your trailing zeros, which are 3. Your answer is 24,000. G, 8,000 times 1. Circle your trailing zeros. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 trailing zeros. 1, 2, 3. Circle your trailing zeros. Multiply 4 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Attach your 3 trailing zeros. 1, 2, 3. Circle your letter I, circle your trailing zeros. Multiply your fact. 3 times 7 is 21. 7, 14, 21. And attach your trailing zeros, which are 3 of them. Your answer is 21,000. Circle your trailing zeros. Multiply 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. So you have 72. Attach your trailing zeros, which are 3 of them. Your answer is 72,000. Let's look at letter K. We're going to be using, we're going to be rounding to the nearest 100, and then we're going to multiply the rounded number by 9. So on this one, guys, we're using our rounding rules. Remember our rounding rules from last week, where we are our numbers are either going to stay the same or add one more. So if your numbers are between 0, or if your number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, your number stays the same. If your numbers are greater, if it's 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to add one more. So let's look at this number. Our number is 489. So I have 489 rounded to the nearest 100. So I'm going to underline my hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. And then I'm going to draw an arrow to my 8. And I'm going to circle my 8. So my 8. So then the number 8. Okay, the number 8, is it 4 or less, or is it 5 or more? And it's right here, 5 or more, so we're going to add one more. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. And then your numbers to the right of the hundreds place are zeros. So it rounds to 500. Then it says multiply the rounded number by 9. So we're going to multiply by 9. 500 times 9, and you're using your trailing zeros. Circle your trailing zeros, multiply your facts, 5 times 9, and 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. And attach your trailing zeros. 4,500. Letter L. Again, we're using the same strategy. 4 or less stays the same. 5 or more, add one more. So we're going to round 7,436 to the nearest 1,000. So 7,436 to the nearest 1,000. So I'm going to underline my thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Draw an arrow to the hundreds place and circle it. 4. And it says 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. So the 4 is right here. It's going to stay the same. So my 7 is going to stay the same. Everything to the right of my thousands place will become zeros. So my answer is 7, and then these become zeros. So my answer is 7,000. Okay, now you will work on numbers 1 through 12 on your own. Remember to circle your trailing zeros. So you're going to circle the trailing zeros. I'm going to write your steps up here. So 1 is, and you can copy this on your notebook. Circle the trailing zeros. So you're going to circle the trailing zeros. Then 2, you're going to work the fact. And then 3, attach the trailing zeros. And let me correct all this. These are supposed to be complete sentences. So they begin with a capital letter. So again, your steps are 1, circle the trailing zeros. 2, work the fact. 3, attach the trailing zeros. So you work on 1 through 12, estimate on these bottom ones, and then multiply by the given number.